Hey, this is Moki. I'm talking about Network Plus. Who needs Network Plus? It's going to be any IT professional who wants to work in networking, and you could be a network field technician, junior network admin. So the test is called CompTIA Network Plus. It's a certification you'll get. If you just check it out in a search, you'll see a bunch of sponsors at the top. But when you get down the very first one, it's CompTIA.org. Um, this one's called Network Plus, and the next level would be, I think, Security Plus. Skills you learn: networking concepts, security, basic, and network implementations, troubleshooting, network operations. Let's see. So right now, these are the exams that are going on. You can do it anytime online. There's 90 questions. And this compares to Cisco's CCNA. And CCNA is another networking test. San Francisco. Let's go to the first one here. Let's compare the two. Sorry, I'm always in dark mode. Let's see what this looks like. Out of dark mode. It's the same thing as networking fundamentals. Exact same info. This is mainly just focused on Cisco products. Exam prep. There's lots of things to get ready. Let's see what's good information here. There you go. The cost. So CompTIA is very expensive. $369 certification. How much does it cost? It's gonna be like a buy button. Explore tech roles. Recertification. CCNA guide. Why certified? It's gotta be like after this. 13 reasons to get certified. There's many reasons to get certified. Basically for your career to do networking. I'm just gonna jump over. There's also networking as a service. This is all online instead of physically. People usually see this picture of someone, pushing or pulling cords. It can be also all online, as Cloudflare describes here. Network as a service is where customers rent networking services from cloud providers. This is huge now for everything online, to software as a service, computing as a service. So one example everybody uses, no one really thinks about anymore, is VPNs. That's a virtual private network. It's not a physical network in your house. Most businesses use this now, because it's so much safer. Actually, physical firewalls in companies are useful, and also digital firewalls. Most people think of just as digital. This is also network as a service. Load balancers, and the whole architecture. So this is critical for every company. Every person uses it. I've got to love WANs. Going out from your local area network to the wide area, the internet. This prevents DDoS. Denial of service. What else is good in here? Challenges, compatibility. So you got to make sure you or your company can use that provider. And legacy, it can slow you down. Vendor lock-in. It's always dangerous. You have to be agile and be able to get in and out. These are advantages. as you can see, just outweighs the disadvantages. Mainly the cost savings and security. You can have security in here. Yeah, there it is, security. This is no maintenance, but that's not true. Oh, well, the cloud provider does maintain the network. Yeah, that's true. Alright, then you can study Network Plus through multitude of places. I guess I'd say how to study Network Plus. Yeah, like all of these sponsors, like this one's a university, kind of like this one. This one what I went through my company, and there's just so much information you can't really do it all. The course I went through was very good, but the teacher was not very good. So you're gonna have to do a lot of study on your own. What me and a coworker we did is we went to Cisco Skills for All. But now if you click on this, also a new tab, it goes straight to netacademy.com, which they bought. They created. I don't like light mode ever. And got my own profile. I can log in. I think it's secure just to log in with Google. It's always safer this way, so you don't have to put in a password. So I'm the learner, and it saves all your stuff that you've done. So you can, if I go to networking, you can go any of these really cool topics: cybersecurity, networking, AI, programming, just IT in general. Let's see, networking basics. This is a basic networking class. It'll tell you it's free, which all these classes in here are free. 22 hours, beginner, 13 labs, self-paced. These are all the badges that I got. I think this one's Cisco. This is from Cisco. Yeah, this is the Cisco badge, basic networking basics. I got this. I got all this stuff. It's cool, just to show off on like LinkedIn or your resume. Let's see. I guess I can press resume course because I think I've already done this though. Yeah, you'll see all this stuff's checked over here on the left. This is 100%. And you can always go back and click on this stuff. Really cool. Maybe I should turn off dark mode for this. Just don't like blinding light. Alright, here we go. They've got videos, and they've got, I'm not going to explain it right now, but Packet Tracer, which is an amazing way to trace packets of data. You'll have to learn the difference between UDP and TCP. And there's memes for it too. You gotta love the memes. So TCP is a nice handover. You got it? You got it? Yeah, I got it. UDP. This lady tossing the baby. That's the data. UDP is like gaming. People don't care if, let's say, you're shooting each other in Fortnite. You don't care if your opponent has the data that you have. You're running around, you're shooting. For example, and the server can't really handle all of this, so it's pretty much eating data all the time. Here's a great picture, UDP and TCP. TCP says, you got the package? Yeah, I got the package. And UDP eats the package. It's one way to memorize stuff. Anyways, UDP is faster. because it doesn't require additional responses from the receiver. TCP is better for direct communication, like web browsing, emails. You gotta make sure the other person has this stuff. UDP is better for time-critical transmission, online gaming, video streaming. So if you're streaming a video and it's live, the video sender doesn't care if you have every bit of data. It's like, you got it. That's TCP. If it's choppy, that's because there's some kind of buffering delay. But you'd rather have a little chop instead of TCP saying, yeah, I got it every time, and it being even more choppy. DNS lookups. Okay, that'll be domain name. Just another too. Domain name. DNS over HTTPS. Domain name system. Okay, that's easy. So that is, I mean, all of this stuff you can learn in here. I don't want to explain it all because just like even that one course, I lose it completely. Did I kill it? Yeah, I did. There it is. You have a million tabs, so you never know where it goes. Like this outline. This class. Ooh, there's a dark mode. Yay! Takes like 22 hours. So I'm not gonna go over every item in here. Not now. Maybe eventually. That'd be really good to talk about though. I'm gonna talk about just in general for today. So here's the top 4 sponsors for how to study for Network Plus. I know these two very well. I know this is another company. I don't know this. I'm gonna check it out real quick. CBT Nuggets. Sounds not IT related. Entry level CompTIA Network Plus training. Oh, that's right. The cost difference. And what other courses? Testing. There it is. A+, Cloud, Network, and Security. And then they have which certificate is right for me. I think the ITF is the foundation. A+ is very common. Network Plus, what I'm studying, and Security Plus would be the next. Infrastructure, Foundation, A, Network, Security. See, there's the 4. And then there's a server and cloud. These are higher levels. Cybersecurity, domain 4, pen test, and GASP, data analytics. Oh, that's just it. Just data. And professional, that's separate. So I'd say these are the main 2 most people go into. And if you pass, I'm skipping these 2, I'm just going for Network Plus. Then you go to Security Plus next. That's the core. Everyone in IT should know these. A+ is very basic. It's like what cord does an iPhone use? And this is just for CompTIA. And then for Cisco, I wonder if they have it. That's just products though. Everybody's gonna get it. Okay, certifications. Certification status. Collaboration. Cyber optics. See, entry. There we go. There's an entry level, associate, and professional. It kind of goes in that order. I wish they laid it out neatly. The other one did. Data center device, security. Let's see, security. CCNP. Specialist. Next role. Because people do this for the work. Then your dream role in tech. Cyber optics. Let's see network engineer, for example, since we're talking about network. Network. Optimize, design, build, configuration, enjoy, excel at. Do you enjoy teaching others? Yes. Do you excel at analytical thinking? Yes. So, CCNA, CCNP. Those would be the two that I should do over here. There's a community to talk about it. And let's see what else. What's the cost? CCNA or Network Plus. And of course they talk about it on Reddit, not. Of course they're sponsors, they're making money off this. Coursera, they're not a sponsor. But they are a sponsor. Coursera is awesome. CCNA is more robust. A lot of YouTube videos. How hard is CCNA after Network Plus? It was not hard. I think in comparison the two are very similar. Ooh, Network Plus seemed terribly easy. But this can be difficult for some people if you haven't had experience with it. It's a 2-hour time limit. What's the difference? CCNA is network specific just to Cisco. So Network Plus is vendor neutral. It's any vendor. I think that's why CCNA is harder, because I've seen Cisco's testing, and yeah, it's very unique how they even the language they use. Salary 80,000. Everybody wants for the administrator. Okay. YT preference choose Network Plus. The baseline certificate. You can apply to any vendor product. Yeah. Okay. Why choose CCNA? It's in depth about the Cisco platform, which a lot of companies use Cisco. Should I do both? Yeah, why not? It'd be great. What should you do first? Focus on the latest technologies and software. And that's about it. So these are different studies. So it's like 2 months for this. And this is on Coursera.org, which is amazing. You can learn anything on Coursera. Anything. That's really cool. What do they got on here? Information technology, degrees. You can get a whole bachelor's. Are you serious? Oh, through university. Okay. Certificate. I did one of these. Google Cloud. I should do that again. Popular skills. So Python and JavaScript are very popular right now. And then Java. New IT courses, beginner, advanced. course it just goes straight to advanced. Alright, done with that one. I'm gonna see real quick. Watch the first video free. What does this course? How much it costs? Start a free week. They're really good in sales here. $60 a month. Wow, that's expensive. Okay. Ooh, gotta go. Okay. That's it for today. That's Network Plus. I recommend using Netacad. Yeah, it is Cisco stuff, but everything's free and it's really awesome. You could pay money and get into one of these classes, but I'm telling you, a lot of these classes suck. And a lot of this information is free online. Later, bye.